Howdy everybody, Michael Mass here, and guess what? I'm back. You're back, we're back at the Magic Kingdom. It's my literally last day in town. In 24 hours I'm gonna be hopping on a plane and headed back to Oklahoma for a little bit, but I had to visit Magic Kingdom one last time, and I kind of wanted to show you what A, it's like on fall break, and B, the fact that we are dodging. We dodged Hurricane Michael. No, not me. We dodged Hurricane Michael, but we are getting the outer bands, so it's been really gray. It's rained a lot in the last few days, but so far today, it looks like the rain is holding off. Let's see if the crowd's hold off. Let's go ahead and get inside Magic Kingdom.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
So as you can see, I've used the Emporium cut through to get through. Main Street was packed. So I dodged crowd there. Currently Orlando has got lucky and dodged Michael, except for Hurricane Michael, not me. Not me, we're not dodging me. But has dodged Hurricane Michael. We are getting some of those outer bands, just rain bands, that it's made Orlando quite rainy and quite wet the last couple days. But let's go ride a ride. Let's go see how much we can get done in the first several hours of a day at Magic Kingdom. Along with dodging Hurricane Michael, today you might have to dodge a lot of people who are on fall break from across the country, as fall break is this week, and so it is quite busy already, as Big Thunder Mountain was at a 30-minute wait. Decided to opt not to wait for that. And you know I've got to ride Splash Mountain at least once before I leave town. Look what's new here, these bags. You really don't. I've never needed anything here, but I just figured I'd pick one up and show you. Now that you have a bag for your phone if you want it. Need a bag for your phone? Interesting fact, as many times I've rode this ride, I never draw row one, and I always ask for a back row, but it looks like row one is where we're headed today.
Penny lost his penny found. How do you do?
Well, it's official. If you ride the front, you get soaked. I will say that I probably took the brunt of that one because I was trying to hold that camera over the front there until the last second, and then I just got it straight just covered. So that was fun, and I think we have a Fast Pass coming up. I need to double check that. I want to say for Space Mountain, so that means we're going all the way across the park right now. I knew you would. Guess what? Yeah, I know, wrong ride, right? But we barely made the Fast Pass time, but we slid right in underneath that. And this thing right here is finally making a sound. If you don't know, the 45th Magic Bands all had noises that go along with the Magic Kingdom, and this is the train, and it had never made a sound until today. It had tried on several occasions, but now it is. So hopefully I have enough audio to have caught that, and I'll put it in right here. Well, this is the current exit to Space Mountain. You're walking the long way around, as they are temporarily doing some stuff on the inside with the gift store and stuff like that, just refurbing, and so they're making you walk it. So my Fast Pass for Pirates is no longer, as I have a multi-experience pass, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it over here at Haunted Mansion, because I would love to ride Haunted Mansion one more time before I leave for the fall, and the fall decorations are gone. Not in the Haunted Mansion, but at Magic Kingdom. This is probably my last time here with this year's fall decorations, as when I get back, it's going to be Christmas and it's going to be winter.
There's no turning back now. Is this haunted room actually stretching? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Spirits, wherever they're at.
Now I will raise the safety bar for you, and a ghost will follow you home. Are those ghosts? Are they following me? So we are headed over to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, or Winnie the Pooh, as we cross Toad's Path on the way out of Haunted Mansion there. But we're headed over to Pooh. We're gonna ride that. I don't know if you know this, but I'm having a lot of fun today. I haven't really came over and just rode rides and hung out like at all. Like, it was the Halloween party, which I had fun at the Halloween party, but it was a lot of just running around doing a lot of stuff. But I haven't really ridden the rides a whole lot since I've been back in town, and I'm glad I'm getting to do that at least once before I have to hop on a plane tomorrow.
One day, 100 acre wood, and each queen traded places. Daddy.
If you ask me, he'll never reach there.
Come, Tigger. Come bounce with me. Bounce will make you feel just great, doesn't it? Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Gather together to sing.
Hooray! It's been far too long since I've taken a ride through 100 Acre Woods. Whew, that was fun. I enjoyed it, and guess what happened, guys? While I was standing in line, as I clicked my last Fast Pass of the day, I had 3 that I booked last night. It was Space Mountain, it was Pirates, turned to Haunted Mansion, and Pooh. Like I said, booked them last night, last second, so not too much available. But as I'm scrolling through, and I reset it once and I reset it twice, I clicked 11:30 and I clicked noon, and then I clicked back to 11:30. Guess what? Long story short, I've got a Seven Dwarfs Mine Train Fast Pass at 12:30. Isn't that way cool? What's the best Fast Pass that you've ever got, like last second in the park? You look down and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is available right now. Bing! I'm gonna go take it and go do a Fast Pass. Let me know that down in the comments. We're gonna go over here, and I think we're gonna watch Move It, Shake It, and then head back to Seven Dwarfs.
Listen, it's all about showing the world you can dance. Am I right? And no matter what,
Well, another fun adventure on the mine train in the mines. I do want to remind everybody of something, and I haven't really talked about it on the main vlog, just the childhood cancer awareness vlog. But I wanted to mention the t-shirts, the Michael Mass t-shirts, any t-shirts in the Michael Mass store on Spreadshirt. Those shirts, anything that's purchased in September or October, 100% of the proceeds go to the 2 charities mentioned in that video. And the reason I mention this is because there was a Make-A-Wish family in front of me, kind of got into a conversation, and I just, like I said, I still want to let people know that that option's out there if they want one of the t-shirts, or if they'd like to give but don't know how. All of those proceeds from those shirts go into one of those 2 charities. that are mentioned in that video. I was just thinking about this as I was walking out of the park, and obviously Hurricane Michael is hitting currently in the Gulf. What is the biggest deciding factor when you plan your trip to Walt Disney World? Is it weather? Do you try to dodge hurricane season? Do you try to dodge the summer heat? What is your biggest deciding, or do you try to dodge the crowds? Or is it all around like, hey, I got kids in school, so I have to plan around that, or I have certain types of year that I can plan vacations? Let me know down in the comments what your biggest deciding factor when you plan your trip to Walt Disney World is, as I take one last walk down Main Street, USA in the fall. Because I'm pretty sure the next time I'm here, it's gonna be Christmas and it's gonna be winter, and that's gonna be the decor that's up. I will say the crowds are quite heavy today during fall break for a lot of the country, right after Columbus Day. So the crowds are quite heavy on this fall break Wednesday, basically. And it looks like Hurricane Michael didn't keep anybody away, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Guys, I think that's it. As you can see me making my way down Main Street, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you've enjoyed this trip to the Magic Kingdom, showing you the fall break crowds, how much we could get done basically between 9 and noon, even though I think we could have got a little bit more done if we would have showed up right at rope drop. But that happens sometimes. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button down there. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I'd like you to come along on more adventures with me. Until next time, guys, thank you for your time. Here's to life.